Oh,
All right, welcome back to another episode of Hump Day. I'm Arif Gilany. I have my friends here with me, Vic Patalano, Hadi Mahuchi, the conductors, and Tony Devlin joining us from Ireland because this opportunity is truly global, the Blue Zones. And one of the pillars we talk about the Blue Zones are four pillars normally. And the first pillar is called your longevity, health, and wellness. Why? Because so many people I have witnessed, experienced in my own life, run after money, forget about their health. And then as soon as something happens, they're willing to give all of their wealth to just gain back their health. That happened to me in 2013. I have written extensively about it in a book that's being republished called The Mountains Are Calling. I am not sure what mountains are you facing. I don't know what's your challenge in 2025, but we have opportunities that are absolutely life changing. So I want you to take a look at what we've created with what we call Camel Care. This is a highly thought about presentation, Hump Day presentation with Camel Care Therapeutic Comfort. We are a Blue Zones for Business support company and My World, as you see on the other side above the lady's head. That's the logo of My World, which we are now officially a member of. Camel Care Therapeutic Comfort Wear is now available globally on wholesale partnership opportunity and retail directly. The direct sales are branded. Let's say Vic wants to have 500 pairs of socks in USA. We put Matlet on every pair of socks and he sends it out, sells it with his mattresses. The Blue Zone franchise opportunity as of January of 2026 will be available for global openings. Our philosophy is very simple. We wear what here heals the body naturally. This has been used for thousands of years, starting with the discovery of man and camel, the best friends. Not really the dogs or cats. Man and camel are the best friends. They've been through together through everything throughout history. Camel Care is a brand of products derived from natural fibers, not just camel fur, camel cashmere, yak, cashmere soft shawls, bamboo products, and fine cottons 100%. We are the first company to manufacture and distribute healthy active wear for the journey of the Blue Zones and support the lifestyle of 100 years of longevity. Now, this is not new. We've been doing this for 10 years in various hospitals and expos and shows across Canada, mostly in Europe a couple of times, and now we're expanding globally. Our philosophy is very simple. We're rather to share our profits with people and teach them how to be successful rather than keeping it all for ourselves. Because when times are tough during COVID 19, who helped us? The people who supported us were our mentors. We bring in those all back under the three ways that you can collaborate with Camel Care. First of all, is becoming a wholesaler and distributor. A minimum of 500 pairs of socks of different colors, varieties, and sizes will give you enough traction to showcase a brand new health and wellness product. Number two, you just driving around America or Canada, you stop at gas stations, places like this. You are a commissioned salesperson. We teach you that in the 90 days program. When you become an affiliate ambassador in the 90 days training, on graduation, you get access to all of these products and services to market. Now, our network is really global through My World right now joining up, and we are still hiring people to actively promote specifically our products. And we have the infrastructures to back it up. Starting in Canada, home office where I am sitting right now, all of our operations happens. All of my structure is absolutely here. We have in Mongolia, which is the source of camel wool and products. People say, why Mongolia? Because it's one of the destinations that Hadi may have to consider to take some of those dental, mobile dentistry to those nomads and see what's happening there. It's the source of camel hair, the only place in the planet that has camel hair steady and fully, and we have the full control of that. Our manager there, Monk Buyer Sangaljal, can communicate directly with anyone around the world upon request. We have a Distribution center in Turkey, Istanbul, also registered company. 3 locations, same company, registered in different countries. We have a timeline for 2025 and 2026. The rest of it based on 10 years of experience, how to teach our members how to make upward to $50,000 extra based on what they do income part time. Because I've done this part time, I've done this full time. We've got all of the formulas, we got everything in place. How do you get there? Rate of return. You make a small investment on testing this product out to see if this is real. And once you understand its value, you become a lifetime customer. How do you find these products? Right now, you can head out to camelcare.ca or request a one-on-one presentation on meetings just like this. You book your appointment, or you call, you email us. We'll answer any questions about health and wellness. Camel fur has been used in history for thousands of years, and now we're proudly member of my world and a Lyconess that has partners. All of the links are here. If you just put any of these links, you will be able to become a global merchant with my world as well. In summary, I wanted to tell you our mission is to help our customers for over a decade to achieve optimum health and mobility, supporting an active lifestyle inspired by the world's blue zones, where people enjoy longer, healthier, happier, more vibrant lives. By joining us, you're becoming a part of a global movement that promotes health and wellness, effective organizational systems, and sustainable wealth building opportunities for your community. The most important thing I can tell everyone is this live presentation that will happen from here and henceforth twice a week, Hump Day, as we approach our busiest season of the year. We're in the middle of summer. Right now, nobody's thinking about the cold, and we're preparing, loading our factory with lots of products that you will see for the upcoming cold season. You want to survive the winter without cold and pain and any discomfort? Get a pair of socks right now, and we're ready to serve global opportunities for wholesale. I'm Arif Gilany. Thank you for watching our presentation, Camel Care for Blow Zones. Thank you. Any questions?
So yeah, I found it very interesting. So let's say let's and the question for me is that you talked about made product from camel, but is it possible to buy only the tissue, for example, the fabric,
All included.
and
We have
okay,
right now tons and tons of that fiber. It's again, it comes only
yeah.
once a year. It falls off the camel. They wash it, they train it, they clean it, they make it all kinds of products.
For example, I know tailors, and I want them to buy your fabric, so I could promote your products and work like this. And
Absolutely. That's the commission salesperson anywhere in the world. They connect us to a buyer who gets a minimum socks or anything, fiber, yarns, t-shirts, anything like
yeah,
that. They will be in business. Yes, sir.
that answers. You also talked about that this Mongolia would be, and let's talk blue zone business to business, like
Yes, sir.
and I think you talked about camel hair, and you're a specialist about camel. We have a project, me and Christine. We have a vision that we want to build natural products for teeth, and yeah, and I think camel hair might be a good solution for a
Again,
toothbrush.
let me conclude it with this. The
Yeah,
seven most miraculous things about camels.
yeah,
Number one, in the hump of a camel, it's fat, not water, most people think. Again, education is the key. Number two, the camel's milk is absolutely 99% copy of a mother's milk, a human's milk. Number three,
really,
a camel is the only animal that is called a person. Did you know that? They call a camel a person. Like a dog is a dog, but a camel is a person in addressing the animal. Number four, camels have the strength that 10 horses don't have. 10 horses and one camel can pull the same amount of weight in durability, in all of the aspects. The milk is turned into incredible, bless you, incredible
Thank you.
creams that cures any scars of the body. You know, my hair, I used this for 2 3 years. They're made in Dubai, they're made in Australia. That's the milk of the camel. The most important thing for you and Christine is the bone of the camel.
The bone.
Yep.
Mm,
Natural teeth,
okay.
redone. It's the most condensed bone of any animal. So they shape it into swords, they shape it into short sword handles and things that are decorative. Why not a tooth? You can do that. Again, the
Uh,
sky is the limit if you have your creativity unlocked in this 90-day program, which you are doing right now. You got so many ideas today.
yeah. So we will be talking about this. Thank you, Arif. You just open many ideas for me.
That's the one unique idea, like a miracle came to me, because that bone is exactly the same style and the same color and the same texture and a tooth. You can try not break a camel's bone. Nobody can break it.
And actually, this is a good example of collaboration. You know, you're talking about your thing, and we are here to collaborate. We have our business, you have yours, and we will help you, you help us, and this is the blue zone. This is
This is the
the
blue zone.
mindset. Yeah,
Welcome to the blue zone, my friend. Everybody, welcome to the blue zone. This was Hadi and I concluding the conversation about camel. But if you have any questions, make sure you make a comment, ask a question, or reach out to us. Thank you for watching.
thank you.